Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to learn the characters of living beings. What are you learn? In previous video, learn what are living beings found, what type of living beings found in our environment, and what are the main characters of living beings. Here you learn the characters and what is the definitions, what are the examples, each and every. So, students, first of all, you learn the growth. What are the growth? Growth is increase in size and mass. Increase in size and mass. That is size and mass. That is growth. What are you called? Growth. Growth are the two types. Growth are two types. That is intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic means to defining feature. Defining features and non-defining features. Non-defining features. It means intrinsic means inner side development and extrinsic is the outer side development. That is the accumulator, that is the accumulation of the features, and that is not accumulation of the features. First, what is the result of the growth? Result of growth is metabolism. The result of growth is metabolism. Metabolism, that is the synthetic reaction and destruction. Two types. That is the synthetic and second destructive. Destructive means ये anabolism and that is catabolism. Anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism means that is synthetic reaction, that is anabolism, and that is catabolism. Anabolism increasing the process, and catabolism decreasing the process, and make together the metabolism. After that you learn the reproduction. The second character is the reproduction. And in reproduction, there are two types found, and the two types, first is the asexual and second is the sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, there is no gamete formation, there is no fertilization, and there is no meiosis process occurs. And here is sexual reproduction, formation of gamete, and there is found the process of fertilization, and meiosis occur. In asexual reproduction, different types of the organism, which are the lower chordates, are the bacteria or the fungus. This type of the asexual reproduction found, and in adult or higher plants, in human beings, sexual reproduction is found. So, students, by the production of types of asexual reproduction. What are the asexual reproduction? Production of spore, production of spores. Second is by the fragmentation, and third is the increase in the number. Increase in number. Increases number. Production of spores is found in the algae and fungi. Algae plus fungi. By the fragments found in the Spirogyra, and by the Morpholysis type and the different lower animals. In sexual reproduction, there are found two types of gametes. First is the ovum. Types of formation of sexual reproduction. Formation of sexual reproduction. Formation of sexual reproduction. So, students, you know there are found two types of the cell. First is the ovum cell, that is found in the female, and second is the sperm cell, found in the male. And the fusion of male and female, that is called the fertilization. Fusion of gamete called fertilization. Fusion of male and female, that is called the fertilization. When fertilization occurs, formation of zygote after the meiosis, and after the meiosis, the zygote and develop the cell, and the cell is the cell division process, cell from tissue and tissue from the organ and organ from the organ system. So, students, there are found two types of the reproduction, that is the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Here you see the multicellular organisms and unicellular organisms. In multicellular organisms, these types of the cell division found and the sexual reproduction occur, and the unicellular organism growth in number of the cell divided and different types of the individual develop. So, students, that is the topic of reproduction. And next you learn what is metabolism. Formation of the growth. When the growth is formed, the metabolism occur. Metabolism are two types. It is very necessary process. So, students, thanks for the today, and this the living feature characters. Thank you so much, students.